Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today we're gonna be grilling up some chicken wings with Alabama white barbecue sauce. It's gonna be awesome. Stick around. Okay everybody, so what I have here are some chicken wings that I just bought. I didn't prepare them or anything. Since we're doing the Alabama white sauce, we're gonna let the sauce speak for itself. We're gonna smoke these at about 250 degrees or so. We're gonna let them go until they hit a good internal temp of 165, 170, 175, somewhere in there. So we're just gonna season with kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper. There's also a little bit of onion in here, onion powder, and a little bit of garlic powder. So we're just gonna coat these pretty heavily, like so. All right, that's good and seasoned, so we're gonna get this on the smoker and we'll be right back. All right, we got those wings on, looking good. We'll just monitor the temperature on these, and once they get up to that, like I said, that 165, 175, within that range, we'll pull them and then we'll put sauce on them, and I'll be sure to show you how to make that sauce. We'll be back later. All right guys, it's time to make the white Alabama barbecue sauce. So we're gonna start out with some mayo. We're gonna do about 4 cups. We're not gonna measure, just gonna kind of eyeball it. And these are for chicken wings, so we don't need as much as we normally would for like a whole chicken. Then we're gonna add a little bit of horseradish sauce. I know this doesn't look real appetizing, but apparently it's delicious. So we're gonna do a little bit of lemon juice as well. Calls for 2 tablespoons, so we're gonna call that good. And also some apple cider vinegar. So we're gonna add a little splash of that as well. My dogs are over there fighting. And a little more salt and pepper. About like that. And then we mix. All right, these wings are done. So we're gonna put them off the smoker and let them rest for a little bit and then dunk them in that big Bob Gibson sauce. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and dunk one of these wings and see what we got here. Let's see. It's dark out here and kind of went past the time that I expected, but here we go. Yeah, so that turned out really good. Definitely try this Big Bob Gibson white Alabama barbecue sauce. It's a winner. Hey, thanks for tuning in to Casks-n-Que. We'll catch you next time.